folks, if you're around here, my name is James, how do you do? And welcome to this vlog. It is Thursday, you won't say up at the top, Thursday the 11th of June 2020, and it's coming now. So, today, I'm not doing any filming today, as gaming. I'm supposed to be doing filming today, but I'm not. So I'm going to sort out the Let's Drive or Train Spotting series on SDJR, I think, Somerset Dorset Joint Railway. And you just want to know what the thumbnail will be, I hope. This is what I want you guys to pick for me to drive. A DMU 170, a 31 and 52, or 47 and 57, or 37, 37 or 47 and 47. So yeah, so that's the option. I'll try get a better one during the day. So let me just put down. There's a second. Just put you over here, near to my phone. No, I'll put you over here because it's more like, but it's more cramped. So that's what I'm planning to do today, is to go be on train sim all day. My question is, what shall I drive? DMU 31 and a 52, or a 47 and a 37. You will pick for me. But I don't mind driving an M3. It's going to be all top and tail locos, except for the DMU. The DMU is simple. So you guys pick on what shall I drive. No steam engines, but I've got steam engines on here, but it's more AI traffic. And whichever I drive, the others will be being AI as well. So, by the way, it is after 9:05 in the morning, and so far, no one hasn't guessed yet on any shout outs yet. Any shout outs? Oh, haven't noticed the new thing yet. If I've changed it again, probably people will notice. And for the, while we're on the subject, kind of, don't affect you guys, but it does affect of ending the vlogs. I'm going to end it, or end them a bit earlier, best as I can. Instead of at 9:30 or something like that, it's going to be around 8:30, 8 o'clock time. So I can upload it, or render it, edit it, render it, upload it and put the information on for the day, about that specific day, and put tags in it as well, and then upload it, or while it's uploading, set the time, date, everything. That will be changing slightly so I can get more into a rhythm on getting up early So if I get a better sleep, I was a good sleep last night. On the cat. This cat slept on the bed again. So yeah. What else? And we're back in the room. So, what else I've got planned? My weekend. My brain's gone dead. That's not a good sign. I'll come back to you in a second when I get the information or something to talk about. So probably all this has probably been deleted or been cut from the bit where I'll start yawning to the new clip. Folks, it is now 12:08. In the afternoon now, lunchtime update. So, what have I done this morning so far? Still on Train Simulator. We'll be on that most of the day today, and just head it off from there. That is the plan. Let's see if it will work out without crashing. We'll have, at the moment, in the morning time, this is what I'm going to do. For the daytime, it will be only steam. There's only 2 diesel services running, and that is the DMU, what I'm probably driving, and there's the other local train. So yeah, so that's the plan. We'll see if it works out. If you know why this is off the subject of Train Simulator, this is this is the vlogs. But if it's a long one, so like last Monday's episode, well, not last Monday, the Monday before, when I went up to my nan's and then up to Stockbridge twice. Very good time in that one. And then I will go from there, from A to B, and back again, and then go for Stockbridge Steal, and then home. That's when I get home. And from home, I'm going to straight end it and take it from there, or else I'll end it outside. We'll see. But I can't actually edit it until I get at home that night. So yeah, so that is the plan. Let's see if I will stick to it. Probably not. So anyways, I'm going to get on so I can continue on Train Simulator. So yeah, so I'll see what I get into. Okay folks, it is now 13:25. 2 things. Let's close my door. Well, kind of. Yeah. 2 things. 1, getting crashed, so I need to start over again. And 2, I just done a drop. I just had a call from my brother, because my brother and his girlfriend gone down Hillsborough, and he phoned me at 13:05. That's 13:26, 25ish. So I came out to do what I need to do, etc. So it didn't take feels like it didn't take me that long to do. So back onto Train Simulator for a minute. So as it crashed, I've edited one video for J and M channel, and then after that I went on back on Train Sim to continue what I was doing. So let you guys know what's happening, or what's just happened. Earlier on this morning / afternoon, Train Simulator crashed. Well, not actually crashed. Somehow, someone unplugged the computer by the red quilt what's just underneath. I would love, because this wire here is that one there, and that goes into plug what's just over there. I'm trying to want to put it up there, but so black wire from bottom there up to that on top of the computer, just that switch it into there. But I'll try a different way. If that works, it works, and if not, it's not. So that's just a little update on what I need to tell you about. I don't know what else is next.
God damn it! Why do you leave the taps on?
It's going to get muddy down here.
Oh great! Now welcome to the pig land.
It's adventure for me and Sam. So we went out for Stockbridge Steal again on the Thursday without Morgan, but I don't know what he's actually doing today. So it's me and Sam and probably Henry will go for Stockbridge Steal today. My plan was actually not to go for it. So I'm supposed to be having tea, but it sounds like we're not having tea anymore. So I'm coming out in the rain. Is it raining, Sam?
No, someone just turned the taps on. Yeah, of course it. Ooh.
On that, yes, it is raining. So I'm going to give you a little walking clip after this, or we'll get to the bridge. And Sam's got biscuits. But he's probably going to have his tea later. But I don't know. I've got my big tripod. Got my small tripod what this camera's on. And yeah. So I'm hoping it's going to be less people about, and I hope we're not going to get wet even more. So yeah, so I'll speak to you when we go over the little bridge, and then take it from there, so I can look out for slippy spots. They won't be happy if I deck it. For you viewers, I do apologise if the camera gets a bit wet, because in Sheffield it is raining cats and dogs. But I try to get the best to keep my camera dry. We know we go there to walk through a bridge, but we're up here. Let's go! We're getting stabbed. So I do apologise if the lens is a bit wet. It is now 1800. Let me just clean it. I get attacked somewhere. We'll just clean you. Probably not make a good idea. Looks better? Looks better. So at our spot where we went for the last few times, dropped my tripod, but I'm going to film on my phone and get a picture on my camera. and then probably get a video coming back down on the opposite side and take it from there. So this is the wooded area of Middlewoods. It feels different when it's raining. So yeah, so we just wait here in time for the steel to turn up and then go from there. So filming on my phone, taking a picture on you guys on my Sony camera, and then when it returns, are you seeing it returning? We're not seeing it returning.
What return?
For the return for the steel.
Yeah.
So we're going to see the steel returning, and I'll probably stand out the opposite side to film it. So film it one side and film it going up, and film it going when it goes back down in a different side. Let's try to show you without disturbing while walking down. So my plan is to stand over there to film for the steel to go up this way, and when I return I will stand at this side of the fence when it goes that way, back to Rotherham. So yeah, so that's the plan. I don't know if Henry would be coming up today, I don't know, probably not, but I'm not too sure. Anyways, I'm going to get off so I can keep you dry, and hope you're going to have a good day.
Indeed.
Right folks, now we're heading back by where we normally go, but this time, especially here, this is new. That's where we came.
Let me go first. Yeah, I'll have it.
This is Sam demonstrating how to do it.
Oh, but cry out loud! Seriously!
This has came down the last couple of, about an hour or so. Bollocks. Oh my god!
See, I love Ireland.
My shoes! I've gone into my socks.
Oh, I can't get across. I can't do that. What are you doing?
Try and go that side.
Oh, get out.
I just went for it. Here comes the other one. what was here when we came down last.
Oh, piss it in hell!
But this is slightly bigger than it was when we came. That's not too bad. And now, let's go over the bridge.
I've got a waterlog in my foot.
Yeah, same here. So, we're just heading back. Back home. When I get back, I'm going to have my tea, have a takeaway, as we're supposed to be having McDonald's, but yeah. We'll go top way this time, Sam.
What?
Let's go top way.
We're not going down there?
No, not today. It might be a bit muddy down there compared to here. So I do apologise if it gets a bit dark. But it's getting dark now. It is now 8:48. It will be out of the wooded area in a second. I'm using my phone for light then. So let's see if we see anyone else passing us. Whether this is the what I was telling you about where we used to go.
You're not an alcoholic.
Peace and quiet. But that stretch of road where the corner is has collapsed.
Back in 2010, I think.
When it had bad floods. So yeah. So I just switch hands, but I'm not using tripod. I'm using my hands. But my tripod is in my bag. Well, in my pocket. The small one. There you go. I do apologise with the strange spotches on my camera. I will clean it off now, so there is well, I'll talk to you when I get home. If my videos go up late, I do apologise, because these days I want to get my videos to be sorted, okay, make sure everything is in the right place, as well as, and yeah, and take it from there. What else? I think that's it. So, as I mentioned, if my video goes up late, hopefully it won't be, then we'll be going out very soon. I will put it on my social medias out anyways. So my Twitter mainly, and my Facebook, and to letting people know that my video is going up late. So if you're not following me on my social medias, please do so. It will be in the description down below. And I might add Sam's channel in this week, as we're not being with Morgan or SY Transport Spotter. So yeah. So on that, I will leave you with the speed at Canberra, and I will speak to you a bit later on. It is now, it's a late finish. It is 10:07. And now, just had my tea. Just this minute. Just this minute. I had just finished my tea after the pod recorded in quite earlier on. So yeah. So I hope you had a good week. There's Mrs. Grace. So Speedy. Good few hours up at Middlewod. to see the 60. Same 60 the last 2 weeks, or last week. But this one, it was a wet one. As you probably saw, I put it before this. So, what else? There's no new subscribers. I have still got 358 subscribers, but there's a comment in it, wanna be YouTuber friends, whatever that means. So, what else can I mention? It's not much more. So I hope you're going to have a good weekend. Don't forget I've done one drop, one call, or one call, one drop, basically. But through my brother, because my brother went out to go down to Hillsborough to get some stuff, and then Friday probably went into the shop. The person who normally messaged me through Facebook, they tell Andrew, my brother, and my brother tell me that there's a drop to do. Alright, that's that. I'm going to be starting to do a Let's Drive / transport on a mainline route, on the Exeter to Paynton route, with addition trains. So at Grand Central 180, I'll be 10 minutes on loan to Great Western. Got I think 158 or 170 to do stoppers, and that's not currently on loan. We've got 2 lots of rail tours, and mostly that's it. So I'm going to be doing the Exeter to Paynton route to start off with my train Let's Drive or Train Spotting series. So, supposed to get off so I can edit this video. So if it goes up late, I do apologise and stuff like that. My lips are red. Well, bright pink to where it used to be. Because I just had tea and I spot sauce, and probably that's fine. So anyways, I'm going to get off. Everything what you need to know is in the description down below. And this is the last one for this week. I will be back again on Tuesday for another daily vlog. But I will be uploading my One Take Sunday. There will be a One Take Sunday for the last one for the time being. Then there is the weekend vlog, will go up on Monday on both channels, on this channel and James and Grace Vlogs. And next week I'm going to explain to you what will be happening with the weekend vlogs on this channel. So yeah, so on that, I'm going off. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not new, my name is Jim. Subscribe, smash the thumbs up, put your notification bell on, put in the comments down below, put a comment in the comment section down below what you want me to talk about, collab with, all that good stuff when we do get back together again, as collabing with other people, back to works and everything else. So on that, that's Tom's. So have a good day, be happy, and have a good day. Bye. Bye bye.